if each of these squares, these little squares that make up this larger square, have a side length of 1, then they have a unit area of 1 as well. So what I'm saying is, if that length is 1, so each of these little side lengths of each of these little squares is all 1, then this area is 1. Likewise, that area is 1. So to calculate the area of this entire square, we just have to count up these little squares, and we find that they are 16. So the area is 16, but now we notice that it has a side length of 4, because we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the same on each side. So we also know that 16 is equal to 4 times 4, which is also 4 squared. And if we have that 4 is our length, then we have that area has a general formula of L squared. Now let's talk about perimeter. So we said that each of these squares has a side length of 1, and we know that the length of this entire side then is 4. And now a square has 4 sides, so it's simply perimeter is equal to 4 times by the length, and that's the general formula. And so in this case, it's 4 times 4, which is 16 as well. So let's go on and do 2 examples. So if we have this square over here, and this square has a side length of 2, then the area we said was length squared, so area is equal to 2 squared, so area is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4. Now, the perimeter is equal to 4L. So, our length is 2, so our perimeter is equal to 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. And now, because these are all values, you mustn't forget for area to say units squared, and for perimeter to say units. And now you can replace units with whatever the unit of measure is. Maybe that's centimeters, maybe that's meters, maybe that's millimeters, kilometers, whatever it is. You replace the units with what the unit of measure actually is. So we'll do one more example. Let's say we have this square over here, which has a side length of 9. So each of these lengths are 9, because property of a square is that all side lengths are the same. So now the area is a length squared, so our area is 9 squared, which is 81 units squared. Our perimeter is equal to 4 times the length, which is 4 times by 9, which is equal to 36 units. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.